Okay. Number 5. The rock is thrown straight up. So we go straight up and then straight back down. No horizontal velocity or horizontal acceleration, just vertical. And we're wondering, at the highest point up here, what does the acceleration depend on? I think this one's wrong. I think, ooh, there's crumbs on my thing. It depends on gravity. So it depends on what planet you're on. Acceleration depends on, so the acceleration is just due to gravity. So that depends on what planet you're on. Would your mass affect it? Yeah, F equals ma. The net force would be mg equals ma. No, the masses cancel out. It doesn't even depend on mass. It is literally just gravity. So it depends on what planet you're on. That is it.